Mighty ho, campers. Got a new toy. This is a TREKOLOGY metal table, aluminum. This is my regular table. It's actually heavier. I'm surprised. I wanted something to take camping with me. This actually takes more room too. Let me show you my one I've been using. Use it when I'm car camping with my better half, or when I'm on the motorcycle. Sometimes there's no picnic table, sometimes there's no whatever. And this is a Winsel. I kind of like the Winsel brand. I've had a great tent years ago when I could still sleep on the ground. And it did me well. So, this is my Winsel table. It uses these straps to help secure it. Got 2 cup holders, but it's cloth and it's hard to put a burner or something on here. So, other than that, it's held up good for me. Had it a couple years. Let's see what the Winsel does. Like I said, this is actually heavier, even though it's cloth. It's bulkier. This was on sale, and you know me, I can't resist a bargain. I put it together once. It took a little bit of finagling. Hopefully the finagling's done, because sometimes these things in the tabletop don't want to josh too well. Maybe I just didn't have it snapped in good. So that's your frame. And TREKOLOGY's got some decent stuff. It's aluminum, lightweight table. This is the medium. Wanted something that'd be easier to carry on the bike. The small probably would have done me well, because this won't fit in the saddlebag or the trunk. So, turn it this way, just because the name's facing you that way. This is where I was running into trouble in my practice run. These top rods are coming out, but now they didn't. I didn't have them snapped in good, I guess. So, look at that. Solid. This is flatter. This is actually more solid, even though it's not flat. But, TREKOLOGY. That's how quickly I put it together. To be honest, it's much faster to put together than it is to peel off these darn plastic things they put on top of every single slat. It's very sticky glue. Look at that. Ugh. And they tear. And you gotta start over. It's a pain in the butt. But other than that, it will come in handy. I can actually put my burner on here to make my coffee in the mornings or whatever, which is a big thing, and the only problem with that, I like the cup holders on that, but since this is flat, I don't really need them, do I? Yeah, it's handy. Got the handy bag, so I think I'm gonna like it. Except for if I ever get these darn things off. So it's a thumbs up, especially for the price I got it. I think it was half price, and I'm cheap. So Either one, if you're looking for a good table. Like I said, I've had my Winsel a couple years now, and taking it car camping, motorcycle camping, in the desert, in the woods, over the mountain and through the woods. It's held up great. Still looks like new. Hopefully this will. It uses bungees. To hold all the top together. That's the only weak spot I see. Well, in the plastic where it snaps on. But yeah, like I said, for the money I'll give it a thumbs up. And now I'm gonna go daydream about camping. Thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.